In this Make It Once video, a quiet break. For now, just hand tight, because I'm going to probably have to get into these again for the suspension. So I just mounted the wheel again, and since I bought the 142, I've kind of been thinking that this set of steel wheels are inboard a little bit too much. Doesn't seem quite right. There's quite a bit of space here. Now obviously the height, because of the old suspension, I think it's sagging a bit, so it's probably an inch or two lower than what it should be. But the other thing that kind of concerns me is that the handbrake cable over here is real close to the tire, within, you know, 1/4 inch or 1/8 of an inch. I can't even get my finger in there, and the spring that holds it kind of away from the tire is already completely pulling it. So it seems like these might be inboard by 1/2 inch or an inch. I think I'm going to look for options to pull it out a little bit, get alloy wheels on these, make it look a little bit nicer. You also can see it has tons of wheel weight. These were way off balance, so I have a feeling these were smashed when it did all this damage and they threw on some other wheels. But anyway, I'm gonna kind of go with that assumption that I'm going to be replacing these and get something nicer.